I am XCA. Today I am going to discuss about the topic of the rise of AI superintelligence, what it means for humanity. Imagine a world where machines surpass human intelligence, a world where AI doesn't just assist us, but thinks for itself, evolves, and even makes decisions that shape the future of our civilization. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. What is AI superintelligence? AI has already changed our lives. From chatbots to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is everywhere. But what happens when AI goes beyond automation and becomes smarter than the most intelligent human? This is what experts call artificial superintelligence, an AI that can outperform the best human minds in every field imaginable, from medicine to space exploration and even creativity. To the race to superintelligence. Tech giants are already in a race to build the most advanced AI. Many companies want to be the first to create a superintelligent machine. But there's a problem. What if we create something we can't control? 3. The good, the bad, and the unknown. Optimists believe that AI superintelligence will bring a golden age for humanity. Imagine AI curing cancer, solving climate change, or even extending human life. The possibilities are limitless. But others fear the dark side. AI could make human jobs obsolete, control global economies, or even see us as an obstacle to its own evolution. Even great minds have warned that AI could become our last invention if we are not careful. 4. Can we control AI? The biggest question isn't if AI will surpass us, but when. And when it does, will we be able to control it? Scientists are working on AI ethics, safety measures, and regulations, but the truth is, we don't know if it will be enough. Superintelligent AI won't just be another tool, it will be a force beyond human comprehension. And we might be building something we can't stop. So, what happens next? Will AI lead us into a utopia of endless possibilities? Or will it become a digital god beyond our control? One thing is certain, AI isn't coming, it's already here. The future is unfolding before our eyes. The only question is, are we ready for it? What do you think? Will AI be humanity's greatest achievement or its biggest threat? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing content. See you in the future.